Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to prevent Bluetooth devices from being downloaded over metered internet connections on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the devices tile. And now over here on the right side, you want to just scroll down versus download over metered connections. To help prevent extra charges, keep this off so that device software, drivers, and phone apps for new devices won't download while you're on the metered internet connection. So if you want to turn that off so it won't download over metered connections, you can. If you want to override that and you do want to download over metered connections, you would want to keep that check marked in there, and that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.